Before you sit down in the braider's chair for your next install, stop. Slathering your scalp in heavy castor or botana oil before applying a protective style is often the primary cause of the severe itching and shedding you experience under your wigs and braids. These thick, occlusive oils sit directly on the skin, trapping sweat and dead skin cells. This suffocating layer feeds malassezia, a naturally occurring yeast that will multiply rapidly in this environment, triggering the inflammation and flaking that leads to shedding. But even if you avoid irritation, these topical oils can't reach the living root where hair is actually made. Real hair loss is driven by internal factors, like low ferritin or hormonal shifts, meaning no topical oil can provide a cure. At best, these oils are the garnish, while your internal health is the meal. To survive a high-tension style, your scalp needs a foundation that prioritizes biology over marketing. We achieve this through a proactive 4-layer sequence known as the ToxiTress Scalp Reset Ritual. This ritual prepares the scalp using 4 specific layers: the Extract Reset, the Restore Prep, the Purify Treatment, and the Velvet Clean Finish. By establishing a clean, detoxified foundation before the hair is braided down, you strip away the yeast's food source and prevent damage before it starts, rather than just reacting to it later. Step 1 is the Extract Foundation Reset and Detox. Apply this directly to a completely wet scalp. Massage it firmly into the skin itself, making sure you are penetrating past the roots of the hair. This formula breaks down the hardened, crystallized product buildup and excess sebum that routine shampoos leave behind. The active ingredients specifically target the follicle openings, pulling out trapped debris so the root can breathe. Most people fail here by only scrubbing the hair shaft. You must target the actual skin of the scalp, because that is where the yeast thrives. Once it is rinsed away, you are left with a physically clean, breathable surface completely free of suffocating residue. Scrubbing the skin directly starves the yeast environment. Without that buildup, you eliminate the intense itching that typically ruins long-term protective styles. Step 2 is the Restore Botanical Infusion. After stripping away the buildup, we need to condition and nourish the raw skin barrier so it remains elastic. Unlike heavy, greasy viral oils that sit flat on top of the skin and block the pores, this lightweight infusion instantly diffuses directly into the barrier. It acts as a breathable moisturizer, hydrating the skin at a cellular level without suffocating the newly cleared follicles. Proactively conditioning the barrier in this exact way defends against the severe dryness and tension that causes persistent flaking over a 6-week install. Step 3 is the Purify Scalp Treatment. Apply this specifically to the zones of your scalp that experience the highest friction and inflammation under your particular style. Do not reach for heavy castor or botana oils at this stage. Castor oil has 0 human clinical proof for hair growth. Coating your scalp in it now will completely undo your detox, creating the exact heavy environment that yeast needs to cause flaking. If you are dealing with thinning edges, this is when you apply the specialized Temple Therapy Edge or Care Pen. This localized treatment is engineered to repair tension damage from tight braiding and protect against acute hair felting, the severe matting that often requires cutting the hair off. Treating these vulnerable zones with targeted, lightweight formulas protects your hair while preventing the irreversible matting and yeast overgrowth directly caused by viral heavy oils. The final layer is Step 4, the Velvet Clean Finishing Rinse and Scent Mist. Spray this evenly over your entire scalp and down the length of your hair. You will know it is applied correctly when the hair looks completely fresh with no white residue and your scalp feels cool, tingling, and entirely weightless. Sealing the scalp completes your armor. Your hair is now ready to go into the braider's hands weightless, fully prepped, and completely protected. Your 4-step scalp reset ritual is now complete. The skin is deeply detoxified, the barrier is properly balanced, and the hair follicles are fully armored against the tension to come. A protective style can only fulfill its purpose if it is built on top of a truly healthy, unclogged scalp. To get the exact routine customized for your upcoming wigs, locks, or braids, go take the ToxiTress Scalp Quiz right now. Taking control of your scalp biology today guarantees a comfortable, flake-free experience for the entire lifespan of your next install.